Okay, hello guys, welcome to yet another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to transfer coin from your Bybit account, or rather from your Binance account to your Bybit account. That means you have coin in your Binance account and you want to transfer it, you want to deposit it into your Bybit account. Okay, so I'm going to open the Binance app, and while it's loading, I will open the Bybit app. I have the two of them already on my phone. Okay, and will allow them load. Okay, let's check them out. Okay, that's the Binance coming up, and okay, you can see I have 76.89 USDT in my funding account. Okay, so I will go back to see Bybit. Okay, so you see Bybit and I have nothing here. Okay, so fine, we are here on Bybit and we are here on Binance. Where the money is on Binance, and where I want to deposit it is on Bybit. So first off, I will go to Bybit and then click on my assets and then click on deposit. I can click on deposit. When I click on deposit, it will request for the coin that I want to deposit here. I want to deposit USDT. So if I can't find it on the list, just go and type it, but it's already on the list. So but if not, type it USDT, because it's two. You can see one is USDT Tether USDT, the other one is USDT.E. We're using the first one, USDT Tether. That's the first one. Okay, so here we are, USDT Tether. The next one is which network. Select the network, scroll down and select TRC20. Okay, TRC20. Now TRC20, scroll down and then you can read up the instructions. Very important, read up instructions. Look at the notice under. It says please make sure that only USDT deposit is made via this address, otherwise your deposit funds will not be added to your available balance, nor will it be refunded. Number 2, for successful deposit, please make sure the wallet address is accurate. Number 3, if the current address is used, 20 block confirmations are required before your deposit funds can be added to your available balance. Number 3, please note that the current asset does not support deposit via the smart contract. If used, your deposited funds will not be added to your available balance, nor will it be refunded. Okay, so what you have to do right now is to copy the wallet address. You can just click on copy address. It's already there, either on the copy by the side of the wallet address, or you just click on this copy and automatically you see it copied. So we go back to Binance. Here on Binance, we're going to click on wallets. Okay, and I'm going to select where I have the money, which is on my funding. Okay, and I'm going to click withdraw. Okay, withdraw. Click on withdraw. Once I click on withdraw, the next thing I'm going to select is the cryptocurrency that I want to withdraw. Okay, just a moment. Okay, while we're waiting, please, if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please make sure to subscribe if you like what I do here, the way I teach you and show you things. Now select the crypto, which is USDT, and then click on send via crypto network. Okay, look at what is written under: send to a known crypto address via crypto network. So I'll click on it. Okay, and then where you have address, I will paste that wallet I just copied from Bybit. I'll paste it there. And then the next is network. Click on it to choose a network. I'm going to scroll down and I'll look for TRC20. Okay, all right, I'll say confirm. The next, I'm going to send everything I have in that account. So I'm going to click on max to show me everything I have in that account. Okay, now it's coming from my funding wallet. Okay, so the next is I'm going to click on withdrawal. Okay, click on withdrawal, and then it will ask me a few questions. You will get 76 point blah blah blah. Now that's the address, that's the network, the source is from funding, the coin is USDT, the amount I'm going to get 7, and then the network fee 0 point in Nigerian naira, which is about 612 naira thereabout currently. Okay, so I'm going to say ensure that the address is correct and on the same network. Transactions cannot be cancelled. So I click on confirm. Okay, it asks you again, risk warning. In order to ensure the safety of your funds, you need to pass the verification questions before you can continue. So I'll click on verify. Okay, verify. Let's wait for the questions to come up. Please make sure to subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. And please share this video to your friends who are finding it difficult to transfer or deposit money from Binance to Bybit. Okay, so scam risk alert. Please read the following content carefully in order to make an informed decision. If you have questions about this withdrawal, please contact number 1. I accept that I have understood. Now read it, please. This withdrawal may pose a scam risk. If your withdrawal is related to high returns or is performed under the guidance of another person, there is a very high risk of fraud. Please make sure to verify the identity of the other party and be careful when withdrawing. I'll select it. Number 2 is Binance cannot confirm whether risks are present with other platforms or individuals, and assets that have been withdrawn cannot be recovered after the transaction. I'll select because I'm sure of where I'm saying. So they will ask me a question. What is the relationship between you and the fund recipient? A platform, a merchant, investment advisor, the family member, friend or acquaintance, netizen. I am sending funds to myself. Okay, I'm sending funds to myself. You can see that in my Bybit account. Now they will say confirm. I'll click on confirm, and finally confirm. Okay, so let's allow it to finalize. Okay, so they will ask for security verifications on my phone, so I'll click on get code and then get code for both my phone and my email address. So I'm going to go out now, go to where my phone is, and then expect the code to enter. Go to email, change my email to find where it is. Okay, yeah, Binance withdrawal requests. Yeah, so I'm going to copy this code and I'll go there in my email, which is the second one. Then I'm going to wait for that phone to come in. Okay, I'm going to wait for that phone to come in, and then I will still copy it and paste and then submit it for verification. Okay, it just came now, I think. Let's try. Okay, not yet. Not yet. Okay. Okay, let's resend code. Since I didn't receive it, I can resend. Okay. Actually delays. I don't know why the phone delays, but that of email comes. Okay, you can see that of phone is here already. I'll copy and I'll paste. Okay, and then I'll submit. Okay. Let's see the final step. What I'm going to display. Withdrawal processing. Okay, so you can see estimated completion time. You will receive an email once withdrawal is completed. View history for the latest updates. Okay, so you can see withdrawal processing. So I will just go to view history if I want. See, it's processing. Okay, so that is that on how to deposit money from your Binance account to your Bybit account. So I will just wait for it to come in, and then take it from there. If you find any value in watching this video, please make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I hope to see you again in my next video. Thank you so much. You can see that it's processing. Okay, yeah, it's processing. So you can see that deposit confirmation in progress. Your deposit is awaiting confirmation. Okay, so I will allow it. That's the email I just got, and then once it is done, you will automatically see it in my Bybit account right here. Okay, that's an email. That's an SMS rather I got from Binance. Let's read it together. Your Binance verification code, blah blah. You initiated a request. Okay, fine. I think that's an email actually. Let's go to my email. Let's see. Okay, fine. Okay. Okay. So back to home. Sorry about that. Okay, so that's the message I got from Bybit. Deposit confirmation in progress. You can see, dear Bybit user, you have a deposit of 76.1382 USDT, which is in the process of being confirmed. You can see that. Okay, that was the Ethereum. So it's still pending, waiting for it to come in. So once it does that, I am good to go. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you again in my next video.